Today, we're here at the Sydney Off-Road Racing Association to hear about their road to recovery. After being affected by the devastating bushfires of 2019, followed by the pandemic, and more recently the floods, the Sydney Off-Road Racing Association was one of 22 different clubs to receive funding from the first round of the Supercheap Auto Club Development Fund. Thank you very much, Ian, for having us here today, showing us around the venue. Obviously, tough couple of years. Tell us a little bit about where the club's at right now and what areas of the club were affected because of what's happened.
Yeah, with the club, the club's just starting to get back together after all the catastrophes we've had with the fire in 2019 that basically destroyed everything. We had a flood just after that, which denied us access to get back in working on it again, and then we had the COVID came in.
Tell us about the Supercheap Auto Club Development Fund and how that's going to help the club going forward.
We are so lucky to get that. That's going to help with our website building to attract the juniors and that sort of stuff. It's also going to be able to bring the club back together from the perspective of members getting the information from the website, and also the mailing list set up with the website and getting stuff backwards and forwards a lot easier. It's going to help so much bringing the club back together and spreading the word outside the club.
You ran your first event since 2019 recently. What was that? How did it go? And are you looking to really ramp it up going into later this year and next year with events?
It'd be nice to think we could achieve something between now and the end of the year, but if we can achieve getting the grounds ready for next year, ready for a state championship next year, and running 3 or 4 club events, that would be great, and some carnacrosses and driver training interspersed in that. Hopefully we'll have probably about 5 or 6 of those next year.
Mate, you're clearly very passionate. We need people like yourself in all forms of motorsport, not just off-road racing. But what makes the Sydney Off-Road Racing Association special to you and keep you, active in the scene like you are?
It's always been there. This place originally I found for the club, and yeah, we used to run down the road, probably about 19 k's down the road. We had a track down there before that. When I grew up, I used to watch the rally cars running around the dirt roads down Vineyard, around the other side of Windsor. It's just home. And yeah, with the club owning it and doing the work on it, that gives them ownership in the club itself and keeps the club together.
Well, mate, very well said. Thank you again for having us, and I hope you're here for many a year to come, creating all sorts of different off-road activities for all of us who want to come down. So, mate, thank you very much.
Boys do an amazing job around here, sort of working on stuff and bringing it all together. So, yeah, thanks for coming up. Catch you later.